In this video, I am going to demonstrate Python packages. Equivalent to directory, in Python we have packages, and equivalent to files we have modules in Python. So within the modules we can define various functions and access it. So to demonstrate, first I am going to create a subdirectory within my JAS directory with the name using the command make directory ksj underscore package. Then I am going within the directory using the change directory command ksj underscore package. Then in order to demonstrate that it is a Python package, there should be a file named init file, that is equivalent to your constructor. You are familiar with the init command, and I am creating using the vi editor, and I will just open it and save. To save the file, I press escape and shift Z. So it is coming out. Again I have to create one more module. I am going to call it as function1.py. Within that I am going to define two functions. The first function is to subtract two numbers. I am passing two arguments x comma y. Then I am writing the content as return x minus y. I am not doing any validation or anything because my intention is to demonstrate the package. And one more function I am going to define here with the name reverse, REVERSE. It will reverse the values of, that is to exchange the values of x and y, the arguments which I am supplying it. So I am using a temporary variable for that purpose. Temp is equal to x and x is equal to y, and then y is equal to temp, and I am going to return the value of reversed value of x comma y. So my two functions are over. I am going to save. There are two ways to save a file in a vi editor. Either you can press escape button, then shift key and z key press 2 times, or press escape button and colon wq. Okay, there are two ways. Next I am going to just compile it because it should not give me an error later using the Python 3 command. Since no errors are there, I am going to create one more module with the name function2, and I am going to write one more function in that. I will use a user defined function print1. So it's a user defined function. I should write def print1, and I am passing an argument x. So what this particular function will do, it will print the argument supplied. That's all, the simple function. I'm going to save this, press escape colon wq to save and exit. So again I am going to compile this function 2 using Python 3 command fun2.py. See, there is no error. So now I am ready to run my package. So I am coming back to my home directory, and I have to create a file to access it. That file name I am calling it as package1.py. I am writing from my subdirectory name, that is package dot, then I have function 1. From that I want to import the two functions which I have written there, that is reverse and subtract, and I am importing the second module also from my ksj package, and fun2. In that I am importing only one function, that is my print1, and I am going to call this function print. I can use reverse 10, 20 and I can also call the other function, that is my subtract. Suppose 30 minus 10. By mistake I have pressed the button. Okay, subtract. Then I am going to call print, my print function, that is user defined print function, to print something, that is this is a package demo in Python. So I am ready to call this function. I am just press escape and WQ to write. Now I am going to compile this Python 3 package 1.py. It is ready to call my out. Here is subtract function missing. Okay, subtract function, I have some error I have made. I am going to I have to call with the arguments. I have put the minus symbol here. Okay, I have to replace it. This is the mistake I have done. Okay, escape, colon, WQ. Now I am ready to compile my file. See, I got the output. The first function is reverse, the second one function is subtract, and the third function is package demo in Python. The spelling I have done some mistake, that's all. Okay, so this is the way it is compiling it. Thank you for watching this video.